401k, what's the difference and which is better? You've decided to get serious about your future. You want to retire comfortably, travel, enjoy life and not worry about money. But the second you start looking to retirement savings, the confusion hits. 401k, IRA, Roth, traditional, contribution limits, tax benefits. Which one's better? Where should you put your money first? Today, we're breaking down the real differences between a 401 and helping you decide which one makes more sense for you depending on your job, your long-term goals. Let's jump in. 1. What is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by your employer. It lets you automatically contribute part of your paycheck before taxes into an investment account. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on it. You withdraw it at retirement typically after age 15 and a half. And here's the kicker. Many employers match your contributions. That's basically free money. For example, if you earn $6,000 and contribute 6%, your employer might match 3%, giving you an extra $1,300 a year toward retirement. Contribution limits in 2025 for a 401k pre: $23,000 if you're under 50, $3,500 if you're 50 or older. 2. What is an IRA? An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a personal retirement account you open yourself, no employer needed. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more, depending on where you open it. There are two main types. Traditional IRA. Contributions are tax deductible now. You pay taxes when you withdraw. Roth IRA, you pay now, but with are 100% tax-free. The 2005 contribution limit for IRAs is $7,500 if you're under 50 and $10,000 if 50 or older. So, way lower than a 401k. But you get more control over investments and tax flexibility, especially. 3. Which one is better for taxes? It depends on your current income and your future tax bracket. If you're earning a lot now and expect to have less income in retirement, a traditional 401k or help you reduce your taxable income to pay taxes later, lower rate. If you're in a lower tax bracket now and expect to earn more later, a Roth IRA is on smarter tax-free growth forever. Important. Most 401k plans are traditional, but some employers now offer Roth 401k options too. Best of both worlds. 4. Investment choices. IRA wins. With a 401k, your investment options are limited to what your employer offers, usually a mix of mutual funds, target date funds, and a few other vehicles. With an IRA, you can invest in almost anything. Want to build a portfolio with index funds, dividend stocks, or even it focused on clean energy? With an IRA, so if control and flexibility matter to you, IRAs are the clear winner. 5. Which should you use first? This is where it all comes together. Here's a simple rule. 1. Start with your 401k up to the employer match. That's free money. You don't leave that on the table. 2. Next, max out a Roth IRA if you in 2025, the income limit to contribute to a Roth IRA starts phasing out at $146,000 for single filers, $200,000 for couples. 3. After that, go back and invest more in your 401k until you hit the annual limit. If you're self-employed, consider a solo 401k or SEP IRA both. Allow higher contributions and are great for freelancers or entrepreneurs. The bottom line, 401k versus IRA, which is better. If you have access to a 401k with a match, take it. That's instant ROI. If you want retirement and more control over your money, open a Roth IRA. And if you can do both, do both. Saving without choosing one perfect account. It's about building a strategy that fits your income, your lifestyle, and your goals. If this video helped you understand your options, hit the like button and let us know in the comments. Are you investing in a 401k and IRA or both? Remember, this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional or financial advice.